Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will review the backup tool that will allow us to create a compressed zip file of our project. For that, we should go to our Sahara project, and once here, we will go to Project, Project Backup. Here, this window will open that will allow us to select the name of the backup, or the zip file that is going to be generated, and the destination folder where this backup is going to be stored. As you can see here, if I click here, I can modify both the name and the path, the destination folder where the file is going to be saved. Also, you can select here the different information that you can save inside that backup file. Here you can unselect things that you don't need, and then you can create your backup by clicking on OK. It's always recommended to do as much backups as you can. You may erase information by mistake or do calculations that may overwrite other calculations that were right in the first place. So it's always recommended to do as much backups as you can before performing an important change in the information of the project. So that will be everything for this tutorial. Remember to do as much backups as you can, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.